In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable mark blocked sender in mail on iPhone. So if what you're looking for right now is how you can easily block or turn off completely mark block sender in mail on your iPhone, all you need to do is make sure you follow the steps I'm going to share with you in this video. So if at the end of this video, you found this video helpful and educative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first you want to do when you want to turn off or turn on mark block sender in mail on iPhone is go to your iPhone settings. Then, one of the settings, just scroll down until you get to mail and click on that. Then once you selected mail, scroll down and tap blocked sender option. So you just need to scroll down the page until you see block sender option and click on it. So that's blocked sender option, click on that. And here you have the feature called marked block sender. Then you want to disable this feature. So once that feature is disabled, everything will disappear. And if it is enabled, you have option to choose between leave in inbox or move to bin. Message from block senders are marked as blocked and can either remain in your inbox or automatically deleted or move into the bin. So once you mark this, all senders on your iPhone mailbox will be moved to the bin, or if you choose to leave in inbox, they will be left in inbox. But since they are marked as block sender, so it is better to choose move to bin. Now to turn on this, all you need to do is make sure this toggle is enabled, and then to turn it off, all you need to do is make sure this is disabled. So this is how you can easily enable or disable mark block sender in mail on your iPhone. If this is helpful and educative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.